you need a set of people, whether it is maybe consultants, maybe technology providers. So that's really one key takeaway that is coming across in this whole coalesce.
That when great minds meet, magic happens. And we will make this magic happen today together.
Coalesce is very much an idea to connect and to unite around the client deliverable, the client outcome.
The number of alliance partners that Deloitte brought to this conference and showcased was exceptional.
There was a lot of think tanks coming together to discuss about customer centricity, personalization at scale, and how do we go about executing on the same.
How I expected. In fact, it's exceeded my expectation. The quality of discussions we had in the finance breakout session, so many perspectives, different perspectives from different industries, things that you don't think about in your own setup, you get to hear from your peers from other industries, and really, a lot to learn and see how that can be applied to your work setup.
Pretty enriching experience. The day-long workshop that we've had today on design your thinking has really added value to all of us all.
This has been first of its kind organized. Congratulations to the team Deloitte.